crawlers in English?
Millipede. Millipede.
Millipede. This is A-M-I-L-L-I-P-D-E ... A millipede is a long insect with many tiny legs that move like waves.
Centipede. Centipede.
Centipede. This is a centipede. A centipede is a fast crawler with lots of legs that hunts small bugs.
Earthworm. Earthworm.
Earthworm. This is an earthworm. An earthworm is a soft animal that lives in soil and helps plants grow.
Hermit crab. Hermit crab.
Hermit crab. This is a hermit crab. A hermit crab is a small crab that carries its shell home everywhere.
Termite. Termite.
Termite. This is a termite. A termite is a tiny insect that builds big homes and works in teams.
Snail. Snail.
Snail. This is a snail. A snail is a slow animal with a spiral shell that leaves shiny trails.
Spider. Spider.
Spider. This is a spider. A spider is a small hunter with 8 legs that spins silky webs.
Ant. Ant.
Ant. This is an ant. An ant is a strong insect that carries food and works with others.
Beetle. Beetle.
Beetle. This is a beetle. A beetle is a shiny insect with a hard shell that crawls on leaves.
Scorpion. Scorpion.
Scorpion. This is a scorpion. A scorpion is a desert crawler with big pincers and a stinging tail.
Caterpillar. Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. This is a caterpillar. A caterpillar is a leaf-eating crawler that turns into a butterfly.
Cockroach. Cockroach.
Cockroach. This is a cockroach. A cockroach is a fast insect with a brown body that hides in dark places.
Slug. Slug.
Slug. This is a slug. A slug is a soft, slow animal that leaves a wet trail behind.
Snake. Snake.
Snake. This is a snake. A snake is a long reptile that slides on the ground without legs.
Gecko. Gecko.
Gecko. This is a gecko. A gecko is a small lizard with sticky toes that climbs walls and ceilings.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Crocodile. This is a crocodile. A crocodile is a big reptile with sharp teeth that swims in rivers.
Turtle. Turtle.
Turtle. This is a turtle. A turtle is a slow reptile with a hard shell that lives on land and in water.
Monitor lizard. Monitor lizard.
Monitor lizard. This is a monitor lizard. A monitor lizard is a strong reptile with a long tail that can swim and climb.
Chameleon. Chameleon.
Chameleon. This is a chameleon. A chameleon is a special lizard that changes color and catches insects with its tongue.
Grasshopper. Grasshopper.
Grasshopper. This is a grasshopper. A grasshopper is a green insect with long legs that jumps and chirps in the grass.
Woodlouse. Woodlouse.
Woodlouse. This is a woodlouse. A woodlouse is a tiny gray crawler that lives under rocks and curls into a ball when scared.
Leech. Leech.
Leech. This is a leech. A leech is a soft, slippery animal that lives in water and sticks to skin to drink blood.